everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today we're going to be casing the caddy again because there's so many gorgeous images in these catalogues, and look, it makes life easier. So this is what we're going to be casing today, the cute little yellow and blue birdie card, but we're changing it up, of course. Today we're going to be using polished pink because it's nice and bright. Okay, so moving this aside and I'll show you what we're up to today. So we have our polished pink base, which is half an A4 sheet long ways in half. We have another piece of polished pink, which has been run through the ornate floral 3D embossing folder. Okay, and that's going to be popped on top there. Then we have the Hippo and Friends dies. We're using the biggest image, and we have a basic white piece to stamp our image on, and it's so cool. I love this set. Look at all these fabulous dies. So that's the one we're using today, and I'm going to be using hand-penned petals because I actually haven't used it for a while, and I'm going to be using this image, which I have not inked up until today. I've been using this one all the time. And for our sentiment, wishing you a wonderful birthday, which will be stamped on the soft succulent. So let's go. First of all, this is all ready to go. So we just need to start with our die cut image and our big floral stamp with some Tuxedo Memento black, inking up the image, and sure, kind of fits, but I'm not sure, and stamping it down. That a bit of a pressure today, and whoop, she's coming with me, and lift her up. Beautiful. That's pretty cool. While I'm stamping, I may as well stamp my sentiment, which is wishing you a wonderful birthday, because you can never have too many birthday cards. Okay, and roughly in the middle, Miss Jane. Fantastic. That's ready to go. And now we can get colouring. So I'm bringing in my Stampin' Blends and all the pretty in colours apart from the dark green one. And we're going to just do some colouring today. So first of all, I don't usually do this, but I might pop a bit of pale papaya in the centres so that the centres of the flowers have got their little century bits. Okay. Now, our biggest flowers, they're definitely going to be in the polished pink today. So I'm actually taking my dark polished pink first today. You never know what I'm going to be doing. Dark or light first. I'm going over our themmy bits. And let's have a think about this. We want some dark around here. And some dark bits in here. Oop, I think I've gone on to the next flower. Take our, whoops, Miss Jane, whoops. And coming in with our light one. Blending them together, and I should be using I need the other tip to blend these. Oh, we got squeakies. No mouses in dish houses, please. Blendy, 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 blend. Blendy, 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 blend, blendy, 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 blend. Oh, these are so pretty. And the pale fresh freesia. And the pale fresh freesia. I might make that like it's all in there. And darky darky bits. And coming in with my end tip and blending that through. Blendy, 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 blendy. Okay, let's just bring in this purple plan. Blend that out into the colour. Righto. Righto, she says. Righto, I think we've got that good. Okay. So that's our blending. We can bring in these and we can put it all together. So I'm going to tape the back of this one. Now I haven't stuck this down yet because I'm going to put some twine around it. So let's have a look at this. I had planned to do this way, but I'm thinking I've now got space down here, so it's going to go this way. See, some days they don't turn out the way you're going to start, where you think you're going with it. Okie dokie. Now you're going to have some dimensionals on the back of you. Oh, I probably should have used some little ones. I might use some little ones and just put them on the ends because it's a wider piece. That's pretty. Now, I'm bringing in the basic grey twine. Now, I've got a little piece somewhere here. I did actually colour in, I don't know if you can tell the difference here. I did actually colour in this little piece with the soft succulent blends and thinking I might use the soft succulent to go around it. And then I figured, when I looked at it, I thought, is that close to the basic grey? Then I may as well just use basic grey. So we're using basic grey. So what I'm going to do is wrap this piece around, leave myself lots, and I'm going to make a bow in this little corner here. Whoop. So tie that. Make a bow. I don't know how to make that look good. When you're doing that, you just do the best you can. It's twisted. Why are you in a knot? Tangled. Okay, pull you. We don't want you so tangly. Okay, and you're going to go down like that. Get our scissors. Chop that off. Now, I've got that very loose, so I'm actually going to grab a piece of this, and it doesn't want to work. Twist it round and add a bit of tape to it so it's a bit tighter. I'll take off my little Stampin' Dimensionals off the back of that. Work out where she's going to go, which was very silly to take that down before I'd moved that because I wanted that over a bit. Dear Miss Jean. Oh, it moved. That's good. It did what I wanted it to do. And then, how far down is that going to go? Be about there. Twist that around a bit. Twist and pull. Might need to chop off a bit more of that. I like it long, but it can't be so long. It's pretty. And then we can pop this up. We'll put the dimensionals on the back of this. We can pop this up onto our polished pink base. And have a fiddle with it. So pretty, 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 pretty. Ah, I love it. I love it. I might put some bling. I love bling. We need a bit of bling. Let's go with one in the big, in the middle, and a little one. And I don't really want to put a big one in that one. But yeah, we will. You're going to get one there. So there we have a very simple casing of the caddy. And I bring in the card. Yeah. So this is the birdie card on page 82. And this is my hand-penned, nice and bright version with the in colours for this year. I hope you like this card. It's pretty easy. It's not too tricky. So if you give it a go, be sure to show me what you come up with. And until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye!